Hey, stand up guy, boy, I'm 10 toes. Big body pull up in a Range Rover. I can change the whole game when I say so. I pull up, shut it down, yeah, they know. Running this game ain't a thing for me. I never switched up, no change in me. The only thing changing this season, you go against me, then you know that you tweaking, okay? Cause baby, I'm him, I be on 10. Two-stepping in the party, I do not dance. Watch how I move, make it look good.
What's going on, part-timers? It's March 16th. It's opening day of turkey season here in Northeast Florida. Me and Jacob are here this morning to hopefully get some guys on some big old gobblers. We've got Randy behind the camera. It's really dark and the light's bright. I can't see if his hips are moving on this one or not, but he's back there filming this for us. He's gonna have a camera as well this morning. Hopefully he can get something on camera. Bubba is filming his pastor down back in Palatka, so he's not here, but good Lord willing, he'll have some good luck as well. So y'all stay tuned, and good Lord willing, we're gonna get on some.
I hope so. Hopefully it happens.
Yeah, man, I'm ready. You ready?
Let's get it.
Part-timers, from a hunting standpoint, applies to everybody. Whether you're a deer hunter, duck hunter, elk hunter, turkey hunter, nobody gets to do it full time. I mean, we would love to, but we can't.
Right down your gun barrel. Kill the starter. Wait. Raise his head. You got it. Shoot whichever one you want. Shoot the middle. Shoot him. Is it the one on the right? That's it, go shoot him. Put it on his neck. Yeah. That's okay. Got some good food. Just be quiet. They love to come back. They're not very scared.
Hear that? All right, guys, it's 8:35. Boy, we had an eventful morning. We got set up, and finally the bird started gobbling, and there was 3 of them hammering not very far from us. Finally, they hit the ground and messed around and called in 2 birds from across the food plot, and they came right onto the decoys, and we were fixing to try to shoot one of them, and then all of a sudden they got a little wary, and I thought they'd saw us, and then I yelped to them and those gobblers gobbled, and they were incoming fast. They ran those jokers off, and they got to strutting around the decoy right there. When the time came, Mr. Johnny shot, and I don't know if his gun got knocked off or what, but they're just not, it wasn't on. He missed them 3 times and they eased off, but we're gonna go try another place, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, it's 11:20. We just got done eating breakfast. We shot Mr. Johnny's gun just to double check, make sure everything was good. And we just got word that Mr. Jim saw a gobbler, so we whipped it around and we are headed over there to try to get after him. A good midday gobbler here. He was lonesome, so y'all stay tuned.
This is Jacob's Ditch at Barn Hill. Man's dream of a place to slip in and out on turkeys. We took a vote, and the opinion is that the new sheriff probably needs to get the skid steer down here and clean it out a little bit. That's not me saying that, that's the general public.
Killing.
See how I had to take the top off the bait? Yeah.
Got that old joker. Nice.
Whew, that was a morning.
That was a good hunt.
Oh man.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, we had a different kind of adventure early this morning.
Yeah.
Didn't bring any feathers home, but we saw a lot of turkeys, and gosh, walking around looking, and Mr. Coleman called us and said, I see one. So we got around and sort of got in an area that he might have come to, and lo and behold, he showed up.
About 30 minutes later.
About 30 minutes later, and I'm gonna say part of it's because this lucky hat. He gave me this hat because I left mine in the. You really showed good patience on this one because he put you in a bind.
Yeah.
He came up to our left and then walked straight to the right, stopped behind a little island of trees, and then he stepped out. And I'm gonna say he stayed there a minimum of 10 minutes and did not move a muscle.
At least.
Every now and then he'd pop a wing. He was nervous. I was just clucking and purring, and Ernie cut at him and he gobbled. And I mean, he started walking, and then you could see him.
Yeah.
Good, because you couldn't see him for all that. And you did a great shot. What a gorgeous place to
It's
hunt.
a beautiful place to
You know, and as we know, you did it for the kids, like
Yeah.
you've been doing. For how many years have you done this hunt?
Probably 10.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah.
I've been coming down here as long as I can remember, and you've been here since the beginning. It may be close between 15 and 20. I think somebody said maybe 17.
Yeah.
That's quite a commitment
Yeah.
for all the people that do this for Seamark. It's fun to share it with a friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sit up here and be about eye level with him now. Yeah, Randy, get my feet. Look at that. Joker's 14 inches taller than me. All right, part-timers, we had a great morning today. Most of the hunters bagged a bird, a couple of them didn't. But man, what a morning. You had some good action, some top-notch footage. You're gonna be signing contracts with the stuff you got.
Yeah.
Doggone
Yeah. You had a great hunt though too. I mean, five longbeards on. I mean.
Yeah, it was pretty incredible. It was pretty incredible. I forgot my tripod this morning. It was sitting in the back of the truck. We got to the blind, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot my camera tripod. And the lens doesn't have image stabilization, as you can tell Randy's hips. Oh no, he's not swinging them right now, so it's good. But I forgot the tripod anyways. I had a little stakeout blind that I just balled up and set it on top of that, and it was good to go. But
It still looked good though when it was all said and done, yeah.
It was pretty good. I'm impressed. Improvise, you know.
That's right.
So y'all stay tuned. We've got some more stuff coming at you. Thank y'all for watching. You're watching the Part-Timers. See that? Look how tall he is.